freaking tap.
Don't worry about me, I'm fine.
Lee, any word from them?
No, not yet. So awkward in here.
Are you alright?
Fine, I guess.
What's this?
The order blueprint.
What? I think I've seen them somewhere before.
So have I.
I just think that we should get out of here. It's obvious they found us.
I think we just need a breather from everyone. We're just
How do we
so
know the
paranoid.
person that dropped the package off isn't going to come back? Come on.
I think we should leave.
Hey guys.
Like at least for a little bit. Let's leave.
Yeah.
Come on,
Let's
get our
get
bags,
out of
let's
here.
go.